Experience Tiki-Waka. This Gerstlauer bobsled coaster races at 55 km per hour over its 564-meter long track. It's a wild ride through the exotic world for the whole family. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Tiki-Waka. In 3D.
Fährt schon los. Mit Ton, ne?
We're now climbing the lift hill on Tiki-Waka, the first Gerstlauer bobsled coaster in Belgium. What makes this coaster so special is its custom design. Its layout was made to wind tightly around the twisting pathways of the exotic world. Now we're almost at the top. Get ready for a wild ride down.
Das ging ja schnell. Schnell.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.